Hey, why don't we have a real race? No cheating.
Bruh!
What?
Nick, you're gonna cheat again.
No, you cheated.
Shut up. Okay. Whoa. Yo. Start. Yo, the wind is so strong. What's happening?
A hurricane's coming.
Yo, it's a tornado.
Ah! Where'd the phone go? The phone fell in the water. The phone fell in the water.
Where is it?
Yes.
I can't reach it.
It's going. It's going in the water.
Where is it? The water?
Ah!
No, it's not in the water.
Ah, it's a storm.
I thought it was Nick.
Oh,
Nick,
I need a medic. Chad, are you okay?
Oh,
Somebody help.
oh, oh, Chad.
Oh my god.
Ah.
I was so scared. That was horrifying. Yeah, what the heck? I thought there was a legit tornado.
Oh my god. Dude, that was crazy wind out of nowhere.
Nick,
What do you mean, Nick?
I was looking underwater for it. You scared me so much.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
It's storming.
dude, what is happening?
What the fuck is going on?
Nowhere.
Oh my god. Look at the sky. Wait, is it because I cheated in the race?
Yeah, God yes. You. Yeah, and earlier in the stream you said you wanted to find God. Well, here he is.
No.
How could you, Nick?
Wait, should we even be in the water? What if a lightning bolt hits?
No. Good step. Yeah. I don't see like any rain. There's no wind. It's windy. There's no like.
Oh my god. Bro, it is so windy right now.
It is cool.
Is it safe though?
Ow!
Oh my god.
It's fun.
I can't breathe.
I love it.
Oh, the